Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in front of us today we have a care package from Casetify for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. We actually do have some cases that they went ahead and sent over inside of here, and then they did also go ahead and send some accessories like the ones we have on the side. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check them out. Alright, so first up I do want to open this box right here, this nice red box. This is where we do have our cases. It does have their motto right here. Thank you for choosing us. We hope you love our products. And then it does have some more words. Here we do have three cases. So we have this simple black case right here. We do have this one right here that actually has some labels on it, and it does have some stickers on it. It does look really nice. And then we also do have this one right here, just a hand sign, and then it does have like the signature on the bottom. So these do look really nice. And what's really nice is they do have MagSafe compatibility. So these are Casetify's impact cases, and what I want to do real quick is actually start off with this case right here. Again, these are from the same series, so they're not going to have any differences in terms of design, which is good to know. But again, this is the one I do like the design of the most. So let's go ahead and place your phone inside. Inside we do get this foam, and then as we can see, here's our MagSafe magnet. So we do have MagSafe compatibility, and that is something very important for me with a case. And now let's actually go ahead and place your phone inside. I'll go ahead and start from the right side where our buttons are located, and then just push down, and voila, nice and easy fit. And right away, this is looking really nice with the titanium black S25 Ultra that I have. I think it matches really well with the black finish of the case, and then also the little extra details like these labels right here, and also this price tag right here. So again, I do think this looks really nice right away. We do have some branding on the side of the camera ring. It does say Casetify. They've been doing this for a little while, so I've kind of gotten used to it. And again, if we do actually take a look at the back, we can see that your camera lenses are perfectly hidden in the back. So if you do drop it on its back, they should be perfectly fine. On the bottom, we do have the cutout for our USB-C charging port, our speaker reel, and also our S Pen. And if we do go ahead and test this out real quick, I don't have any nails right now. I did recently cut them. It's still not too bad. Again, it would have been nicer if they actually cut the back end as well. That is usually the easiest way to actually grab the S Pen. But again, it's not too bad. Up top, we do have our cutout for our microphone hole. And then on the right side, we do have our volume marker and also our power button. And then on the left side, we do get a nice little hole for our lanyard for the people that do use lanyards. So quickly taking a look at the front, we can see that we do have a nice large lip covering the whole display. And again, if you do drop it on its face, it should be fine in most circumstances. We also do have a cutout for our front firing speaker grill, so we won't be losing out on any sound quality, which is good to know. Again, another major thing in a case for me has to be the buttons. So if we do go ahead and test these buttons out in 3, 2, 1, very nice and easy to click. And then our volume marker, again, very nice and easy to click. This is definitely really important for me because it does get annoying after a while not being able to push the buttons in as easy as you'd like. And when case companies make it harder to press, again, as I said, it just gets annoying and you just have to apply some extra force. But Casetify has nailed it with this case right here. So other than that, this is overall a really nice case. It is very decent. I have used Casetify cases before, and protection wise, they are really nice. They actually do have better cases for protection as well. They have really nice bumpers on the edges, but again, this is usually the case that a lot of people go for, and also the case that I do prefer because it doesn't have too many thick corners like those ones do. This one is really nice. It feels really nice in the hand, and it doesn't add too much bulk to your phone. Next up, I do want to test out the MagSafe strength, but to do that, let's actually go ahead and open up their power through MagSafe power bank. So pulling our power bank out, here is a first look at our power bank. This is a nice and simple design. There isn't really much etched onto it. However, I have used one of their power banks before, and you can have a design imprinted onto the front of it, just like they do with their cases. So this power bank right here does have a capacity of 5,000 milliamp hours, and for 5,000 milliamp hours, it is a pretty slim body, and it does feel very lightweight in the hand. So this doesn't add too much bulk to it, and that is something that you don't want to have, especially when you already have a pretty large phone like this one, and when you do place it on there, you do want it to stay thin. Just like this right here, we can see that we do have our fast wireless charging, so 15 watts of wireless charging, which is good to know. It'll juice up your device quicker compared to some other power banks that don't actually support the fast wireless charging, like this one right here. Again, it is very slim. We do have our LED indicator on the left side, and then also the power button to power it on. And if we do a nice little shake test, let's actually go ahead and see the magnet strength on the power bank and also the case. This is really important for me, so I actually do want to see how well they function. So in 3, 2, 1, as we can see, those magnets don't hold really well. Again, one more time, in 3, 2, 1. As you just saw, the power bank does come off pretty easily. So again, I'm not sure which one has the worst magnets. It's the power bank or if it's the case. But again, most cases you won't have issues, but this is kind of disappointing. I would have wanted some stronger magnets. Again, when you do try to just pull it off, they are pretty strong. However, as you saw in the shake test, they're not actually that strong, especially compared to some other cases that I have tested out. So if you are really looking for the MagSafe magnets and you do really want them to be super strong, then this one is not it for you. However, they still do function, so it will get the job done. Moving on, here is another one of their MagSafe products, and this one right here is going to be their BioVeg wallet, or their Snappy wallet as they call it, and this is in the tan/blue color. Again, this is a MagSafe wallet, so let's actually go ahead and test it out. This is, again, a leather wallet, so it's a little more class compared to the cases that we have right here. But again, you can choose your case depending on that, because you can choose tons of custom cases. And right away, here is a look at our leather wallet. So I guess the color they were talking about, the back plate, and then the front, because no blue on here, and no brown on here, brown on here. Again, feels pretty nice. Not really much to expect from a leather wallet, especially a MagSafe leather wallet. They are pretty small, and really the most important thing is how many cards these can hold, and also if they do survive the conditions that you put it through. Here, again, let's go ahead and do a little shake test in 3, 2, 1. Because this is a little smaller and the material on the back is a little different. It is that leather material. It does hold on a little better, and so it does have some extra grip. But now let's actually go ahead and place some cards inside of here. So here we have 2 cards, and if we do go ahead and place them inside, they do fit really nice and tight. However, this is only for 2 cards, so you probably can't fit more than 2. And again, you are able to push them out from right here, or you can pull them out from the front. I wish they did add a mechanism down here, like a little cutout, so you could push with your thumb when it's actually on your phone and you wouldn't need to take it off. But again, this is really how they do MagSafe wallets. So if we do a shake test with the cards inside in 3, 2, 1. Again, the wallet does hold on really well, and the magnets are super strong. So again, maybe the magnet issue might be because of the power bank and not necessarily the case, because this did hold on really well and it did feel really strong. Finally, to have complete protection of your device, they actually did go ahead and send this impact screen protector right here, and also their camera lens protector. So quickly right off the bat, I'm not really a fan of these lens protectors. I'm not really sure if they do a job that well, but again, some people do like to place these on. I do think it kind of messes with the camera quality if you are using the flash, but other than that, I don't really find it as useful as a screen protector, because usually the case does protect this pretty well. But again, for the people that do, we also do have that. So starting off with our camera lens protector, I do want to place this on first. So here is a look at our lens protector. Again, it's cased inside of this plastic barrier so it doesn't get any dust on it before you install it. We do get a nice little installation guide right here, so clean the camera, position the applicator, pretty easy. Put that to the side, and then we do get our cleaning stuff. So we do get a microfiber cloth, and we also do get this sticker right here to remove all the dust. So quickly doing this install should be fairly easy. Go ahead and wipe it down first. Again, try and get every single corner so it's nice and clean and you don't have any dust particles. Next, you'll go ahead and use your de-dusting sticker. Try and get all the dust off. And then all you have to do is open this up, open that up, pull this tab right here, and then place it on. It should line up perfectly, and you just push down. And once you're done pushing down, you just go ahead and pull this off, and your lenses are all protected. Here's a look. Our lens protector is on there and it's covering every single lens. So again, this is a really nice install. The tray is very useful and this will make everything super nice and easy. Last but not least, we do have our Impact HD screen protector right here. So 9/8 strength, scratch resistant, maximum HD clarity, flexibility, easy application with Casetify applicator. So here's a look at what the applicator looks like. Let's actually go ahead and open this up. So here is everything we need. We do have our cleaning supplies right here. We do have a tray right here. We also do have this huge dusting sticker, which is really nice. It's just this huge piece, which you'll just place on. Unfortunately, I wasn't recording, so I did go ahead and wipe it down with this wet wipe. So this is just a alcohol wipe. All you have to do is just wipe it down, and that is gonna be your first step. Next up, you do wanna use your dry wipe right here to actually go ahead and dry it off. All right, opening it up. Go and dry it off real quick. Now that your display is perfectly clean, we'll go ahead and use this dusting sticker, again, this huge dusting sticker, to actually go ahead and place right on top of our phone. Go ahead and get all that dust off with one swipe like this. And once you're done with that, go ahead and quickly place our phone inside of the tray by opening it up, placing it right inside, and then placing our tray down. And finally, we push down and we pull this tab right here. Voila. And then we'll go ahead and swipe right down in the middle so it sets down properly, and we will wait a couple of seconds for this to properly apply. Once that's done, you just take off the top portion, and then we'll go ahead and try and remove any bubbles. If we do have any, just go ahead and push nicely, try and get all the bubbles off. Just a tad bit on the very corner, and I think we are good. So nice and clean installation, and we are bubble free and dust free. So really good to know that was very nice and easy, and also super fast. So the only downside that I could think of with a screen protector is going to be the fact that this does not have the anti-glare technology that Samsung has with their displays. So you will be missing out from that glare. As you can see, we are getting glare now. That is something really nice and useful with that. But again, if you do want to protect your display, you can go for this, or you can choose to find one with the anti-glare technology. They are usually a little more expensive, but again, they do have them if you really do want it. Again, we do have some very minimal branding on the screen protector. This is actually really cool. It does say Casetify in the very edge, and it's not super annoying that you can actually see it, but I would prefer to not have it. So now that we have our screen protector on there, we have our lens protector, we can now place our case on our phone, and now we have a fully protected Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. You can drop this, you could throw this, and it should be fine in most circumstances. So that is basically gonna wrap it up for this video. As always, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And again, if you do want to check these products out, there will be a link in the description. So see y'all in the next one.